In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel pump on this Nissan Pathfinder. Let's get into it. In the back seat behind the driver's side, we're going to take this panel off. Just grab it underneath, pry up. It's just clipped on. Do the same with this one. Just pull up and then forward. Now we're going to take the bolts out. I'm going to use a T50 socket. And do the same on the other side. Now you're going to adjust the seat forward so that you can access these two covers. Just grab underneath, pull straight up, pull that out. And do the same on this one. And I'm just going to grab this cover, slide up, unclip it. That cover just slides out. It's just clipped in. Using a 14mm socket, take these bolts out. Now we're going to take the seat. And we're just going to roll it back. Just be careful. You don't want to get your fingers stuck in the tracks. Just throw that in the back seat for now. That's good right there. Let's see where these air vents are. I'm just going to pull these out. These just slide out. Pop up, slide out. Take this vent cover off. Using a 10mm socket, take this screw out. Slide that cover off. Now using a Phillips head screwdriver, just gonna twist these retainers to the side. Just use some pliers if you have to. Twist it and get underneath the cover. I'm just using a trim tool. Slide that up, and there's the pump assembly. And disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. And slide it back. There we go. Slides off. At this point, to drain the pressure off the fuel lines, you can try to start the vehicle, let it run until it dies, and then there's not going to be pressure in these lines. Now these lines, we're just going to squeeze on the two sides right here. Just rock this back. Watch out for any spray. Just slides off. That was good. And same right here. Squeeze these two right here. Slide it off. Just in case, I'm going to put a rag over just so I don't get hit in the face. Slide that off. Not too bad. Pull that out of the way. Now we're going to loosen the lock ring. There is special tools you can use if you have one. If not, you can use a brass punch. Just be careful. Just give it a tap. lock ring slides up. Slide that out. And slide this up. Just watch out for the float. Pull that up, and you can see where you disconnect the hose. This goes to the other side. I'm going to take the seal off. Pull that up. You want to replace that. Put the new seal on. Make sure you clean that surface. Get that set in place. That's good. You want to take the fuel pump, connect this line. Slide that in. Then angle the level sensor in. That's good. Make sure the seal looks good. Push that down. It's all lined up. Take the lock ring, slide that in place. Push it down, get it started. And tap it back in place. Now we can connect the lines. Just slide this one over. Just gonna lock down in place. For this one, you can try to slide it over. Sometimes it's difficult with that locker on there. So just slide the locker off. Push it in there. And lock it on like that. I'll just connect the connector. Line that up. Lock it down. Take the cover. Only goes on one way. You can see where it says front. Push that all the way down. And you're just going to twist these to the left. Twist to the left. Opposite of tightening. For this one, I'm just going to use some pliers. And it's locked down. Put this air duct back in place. Put the screw in. Snug that down. Slide the carpet back in place. These air vents slide in and then lock them down. Now grab the seat and we'll tip that back down in place. Be careful of your fingers. Should be able to line the tracks up. There we go. Now get the bolts started. Just snug those down. Put the front two bolts in. And if for some reason these are not lining up, you want to loosen up the rear bolts. Get these to line up first and then tighten them back down. And we're going to torque these to 30 foot-pounds. We'll torque these to 33 foot-pounds. Now put these covers back in place. This side. And this outer panel. Slide that in position. I'll put these panels in place. Make sure it's lined up in the back first. There you go. Put the seat down and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.